To the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case, new CCTV of the suspect has now been accessed. New CCTV of the suspect has now been accessed. Images that you are seeing on your screens are the latest visuals that the police is now looking at. This is the new CCTV footage of the suspect that has now been accessed. Now, this footage is from Versova on the 12th of January. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, we are seeing one after the other. There are various CCTV footages that the police at the moment is looking at, and now a new CCTV footage dated 12th of January has now come to the police's possession.
This is the only kind of technical help they are getting is through the vast network of CCTVs laid around this entire city. And in fact, anywhere that they are able to technically, track him down, they take a screen grab, they take those shots and then try to make sure that the person, someone just locates if he has any connection there. They have activated their teams in those areas to make sure that in case this person is seen again, he could be tracked. But then no success as yet that Mumbai police has really found. And that's something which is, really putting a question to the entire competency of Mumbai police at the moment. However, everyone's really hoping that this entire incident can be put behind after the entire, the accused is arrested. But as of now, Mumbai police has, initiated a huge network. It's a huge manhunt that is really going on to make sure that the accused is booked. As of now, no success though that they have.
But the questions definitely are being asked about what exactly happened that night. From what we understand, some of the pieces of the puzzle the police has been able to put together, but there are several questions that people are still asking. First of all, why did Saif Ali Khan come in an auto when they have so many drivers? That's something. And the second thing that one can see this suspect entering, we can also see him leaving. Why was the security guards, the security of the building not being able to spot him?
Well, in fact, answering your first question, Ashwari, if you look at it, in fact, it is, you have to give it to the man. The fact that he's injured so much, but he's still thought on his feet. He, when you are heavily bleeding, you can't really sit around, wait in the house. You have to rush to the hospital to make sure, and he doesn't even know if that entire knife is lodged there. He could probably be facing a severe pain, but he doesn't know whether there is a lodged portion of a knife there. So it's only when the CT scan was done that the entire, so you have to give it to him that he took an auto immediately, not waiting for anyone, not even waiting for his family members. Imagine he took his son, a small son, along with their caretaker, Hari, who is said to be the name of the person, who, the three of them sat in the vehicle, the auto rickshaw, which they hailed, and they immediately reached the hospital. Within minutes, 5 to 6 minutes is all that he had. Remember, in heavily bleeding, that there's always the concept of a golden hour.
Right.
If he had wasted his time sitting at home waiting for a driver or someone to arrive, he would probably have, suffered much more. And that is what exactly when I was speaking to the doctor at the CEO of Leelavati, he said very clearly that this is the most brilliant thing that he actually did, because he should, and which he did was, not waiting for anyone, just immediately rushed on. He walked in on his own, did not even take a stretcher. He immediately went in and told him that he's Saif Ali Khan and he needs this. So, the medical help received by him was immediate, and what he really needed was, we can actually see him recovering now to such a level where he's walking again after the operation. Secondly, with regards to the other issues that you spoke, there are obviously, the family members would have their statements are being recorded. The Mumbai police is doing the entire investigation. But as of now, what they're really hoping is that they can upgrade the security. The security definitely was lax. There is no question about it. Anyone entering, unknown person entering a society, even if, there are many people entering society on the pretext of, say, for example, if you are a delivery person, you have come to deliver food, grocery, whatever. But even then, everyone's, entry has to be noted down, which in many societies, it doesn't get noted. So the society security was lax, and Saif had done nothing to upgrade his own security. That's something which is very clear. But we'll really have to see what the family really has to say about this.
Thank you, Vidya, for giving us those details. At the moment, it's been 50 plus hours. The attacker is still on the run. The mystery is deepening with each passing day. There's a new CCTV footage from Warsaw that the police is now looking at. This is dated 12th of January.